Hi guys, so I want to share with you Target One Spot items. They are collective, and also some things that I got from Target as well. I'll show the Target One Spot items first, and I am filming on my breakfast nook table, everyday eating table area. So I thought this would be easier because I had several hauls to do, and I'm ready to put this stuff up. So let's get started with this. It wasn't in the spring collection too many things that I wanted to, that I just absolutely had, but they were cute. And some things I am holding on to the receipt because it may go back. Yeah, because it's not quite my color scheme, but it's so cute. Okay, so starting over here. Excuse me if you hear Josiah. He just went upstairs. I'm trying to teach him to be quiet when mommy's filming. He's so loud. He's so loud. Okay, so I saw this on Pinterest. I think they had these last year. And these are the smaller cake plates, the scallop ones. And they may say dessert. And they're $5. And I saw where someone placed their Mrs. Myers up here, some soaps and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, that is so cute. You know, switch up what I already have. So I picked this up. They also have it in clear and also in pink. So here is the DCPI number. I'll try to remember that 234210289. I will remember to put that link down below. I didn't use it at all this time. I just kind of go after my first part of my shift. And usually they just put the truck out. I think another time I went, I was going back to work and I saw where the truck was turning into Target. And I said, when I get off work, I'm going to go over there. And I know when I used to work at Target, we will put it out at night. So it may be, I noticed sometimes they'll put stuff out during the day at Target, the one closest to me. So I said, what is he doing? Jumping on the bed or something. I'm going to get him. So I was like, I'm going to go over there and check. And sure enough, they had some more stuff out. I also picked up this Relax. I thought this would be cute in my mom cave, but it's not the right color. So I'm going to spray paint it, probably a cream color or something. Here is the DCPI number for that. And I think they had one that said Grow. And I got the one that said Hello. I probably should have got this from my mama now I think about it. Because she wants the one from Hobby Lobby. And this one didn't have a tag on it, guys. But I'm thinking some of the Target One Spot stuff is, if it's similar, it will have the same DCPI number. So it may be the same. One that said Grow, and it was another one. I don't remember what it said. It might have been Home. But I have one that says Home already. I also picked up these little sprigs, flower sprigs. And I got the ones in white. So they had them in pink. I can't remember the other colors. I want to say blue or yellow or something, but I know pink. And they were $3. And the DCPI number for those is this. So you can pause it and look it up. And I also follow a Target One Spot group on Facebook too. If you want to see the new stuff, of course, look at the hashtag Target One Spot on Instagram and watch people's videos. But sometimes the Instagram and the group is a little bit faster than people's videos. Hanging chalkboard signs. This was the only one I was able to find. I like to pick these up because they're really handy, and they were only $1, guys. So here's the number when you're trying to organize and you already have the stuff on hand. I love that. Also, I picked up one of these succulents, and I'm going to add some more succulents that I have around the house. This is ceramic, so the dish, and I think I'm going to put it on top of this little dish with some soaps. And I do have one from Dollar Tree, but I just wanted this one. I know, crazy. But this is the DCPI number, and this one was $3. So I'm going to add some moss in here, and I'm going to add probably 2 more succulents in here. I also picked this up. I think I picked one up either last year or the year before, and it's shaped a little different. And they have these in other pastel colors. I think blue, purple. And the only thing I was looking for was a little ceramic basket in white. And all I saw was lavender. So there's the number. Also, eventually I want to redo my laundry room. And I thought these were so cute, guys. But I am going to hold on my receipt in case I change my mind. I want to refresh it. So this says, don't mind the mess. We are making memories. These are $3 each. And it has like a little hanging thing on it. And here's the DCPI number for that one. This one, it says every day is a fresh start. I'm trying to see if that's the same number. Yeah, it is. It is. And they had some other signs too, but I didn't get those. And I kind of, one of them I wish I did. This one says wash your worries away. And I want to say one of these signs, it was so fresh and so clean. It was in a pink sign, and it was a gray hanging sign that had the same sayings of one of these. I don't remember which one. And here's a yellow one. So fresh and clean. And I'll go in the back and show you guys those in the back in a minute. Okay, so also I picked up the welcome here, and it was another one. Where's the DCPI number? This one was $3. And it's a tabletop sign, and I thought this would be cute on the entryway table coming in. So I thought that was neat. And then this one too, I was on the hunt for, well, sort of on the hunt for this. And I was so glad that it's so sweet of Kendra 504 Pretty Things. I mentioned it, and she said, oh, that'll be nice in your mom cave, especially the colors. And this was the only turquoise aqua one I was looking for or wanted. And then they just so happened to have it. But Kendra was nice to send me the DCPI number to look it up, which I never got a chance to do. But it was laying there. And they also had it in like a yellow, and then they had the white clips ones too, and I saw those twice, but I didn't get them. So if they have another one of these, I'll maybe pick up another one. So you can like put some craft, I don't know, hang some bags and stuff like that on it, and your purses, or you can put it in your closet. Also, I was looking for these. I seen people post these. These are $1. So this is a everyday fresh start. Sorry guys, I had to stop the camera. So this is a cleaning checklist. It has 30 sheets, and I thought it was at least a good, you know, starting point with your cleaning to see how you did that week. But it is a lot, especially if you're working or if you're doing YouTube full time or whatever. It's still a lot doing your everyday things that you have to do as well. So every day is a fresh start. It says daily, do the dishes, wipe down the stove, countertop, put everything back in place. Blase. Like Monday, for example, sweep and mop floor, wipe down the walls and cabinets. That will take me forever. Wipe down all the walls, organize countertops and cabinets, clean fridge, microwave and oven, wash windows. I mean, just the walls and the windows alone take me all day. But I like it. You know, for $1. Here's the DCPI number. And then I think they have another one, but I could not find it. Those ladies swiped that up. And I really wish that, sometimes I try to ignore the Target One Spot, and I don't go in there as soon as I get a hint that they may have some new stuff in there. And then I'll wait when I could have got first dibs on everything. But sometimes, like the stationery, I noticed at mine, the stuff will trickle in. So I just have to keep checking. Also, the labels, I picked up 2 of those, one for mom, and I gotta let her know I got one. The labels, I like this. It's really cute, especially if you're gonna make your own. Laundry detergent, fabric softener, linen spray, bathroom powder scrub. So really cute. You only get 1 sheet in here though. I think you should get 2. And it looks like it's a little messed up right there, but it's fine. Okay, so going to the back, I got some Hobby Lobby bags on the floor. I also saw these on Instagram, and I thought they were so cute. And it really matches that black and white stripe mini picture that Target had for Valentine's Day a couple years ago. And this is Hello Spring. And these signs, you have to be really careful, because sometimes they'll have like a ding on it or discoloration. You guys probably can't really see that through the camera. But here is the DCPI number for this one. And this is the one I wasn't sure, because it's not really the color scheme in my mom cave, even though when they're seasonal stuff, you know, give you a pop of color. And it's not really the color in my living room anymore. So I'm going to have to figure something out. I've been trying to twirl my brain on how I'm going to incorporate seasonal stuff. If that makes sense. So I like this pillow. I did pick up some last year, and I've been using those vacuum seal bags because my Christmas pillows, I don't have a ton of them, but I have some to shrink these up. Now that I have at least 4 or 5 spring pillows, I need to get some more vacuum seal bags. But anyway, this one says hello. Isn't that so pretty? Yeah, turn down the lighting a little bit. So cute. It was $5. Now I didn't think if I found it, it was fine. If I didn't, I didn't. And here's the number for this one. So it was no big thing if I couldn't find it. And I grabbed them real fast. I saw the lady, she was looking at my card. She came in after me. This one is so pretty. I love the colors. Very cute. And then here's the number. I don't know. I didn't even look at the other one to see if it's the same. So those were, wish they were $3 or $4, but they're $5. But they're cute. Okay, guys, so over here is the stuff from Target, and not in the one spot, and I have been, someone posted on Instagram all of this new marble looking like stationery stuff that they have in the office department. So that little Josiah, I'm gonna get him so I can hear him. You guys probably can't. So the metal frame, the dry erase board, I wanted the one with the metal frame. The larger Target had more things in it, and I am debating if I'm going to get the staples or the stapler, I'm sorry, or the tape dispenser. They also have a couple of other things, but the larger Target has more things than the smaller one did, and they didn't have everything. So I like this one that had the frame. The bigger one had the, I think it's more of a square, and it didn't have a frame around it, the dry erase. But you get these little magnets, you get a dry erase marker, and yeah, I think I may incorporate that into my little mom cave. Then as well, I saw where someone posted this, and I thought it was a lot bigger than this, but it's small. And they have like, I'm trying to think, did I see it in the smaller Target? I don't think I did see it, but I wasn't looking hard either. But I saw this in a larger one, and this one it was $6. Here is DCPI number for this one. And I thought it was in the one spot at first, but I forgot what they said. Oh, they posted the price, and that's how I knew they weren't. So it's somebody I'm following on Instagram that's posting this stuff, and I saw it. And they had like a whole lot of other little signs like this, like if you want to make a gallery wall. Yeah. So also, I felt like I needed to... I tend to buy home stuff, craft stuff for the family, and I tend to neglect myself a lot of times. So I wanted to try the e.l.f. products. It's not the best. I did go and get a consultation at Ulta not too long ago. She gave me some great concealer by Mally, and because I have circles around my eyes and I really need concealer. It's hereditary. And then I also... what I want to say? Oh, she found some great foundation. Mom said it really looked good on me, so I need to go back and get it and do that. So I treated myself to some e.l.f. I know it's not the best, but I wanted to try it, and I heard a couple of people talk about it, so I just wanted to try it. And I picked up this one that says Hello Hydration Starter Set, and I mainly wanted this for the illuminating eye cream because I think it was like $14 or $10 or something, and this set was only like $24, so, or maybe a little bit less, and I thought that I just get it to try it. The lady at Ulta did tell me about a set, and I think it was like $50 some, or was it 40? And it came with the cream too, which I should have probably just got that instead of messing with e.l.f. But anyway, I wanted to try it. This is Cleanse, Nourish, and Moisturize. Also, I picked up some e.l.f. exfoliating cream. Scrub, I'm sorry. And I feel like I'm out of the loop with facial products and stuff like that, because I don't know. I guess for a long time that It might have been a weight issue. It might have been stay-at-home mom issue. I didn't really go anywhere. Busy just trying to get through the week. Make sure your bills are paid. All that stuff, guys. And you just kind of neglect yourself. And you say, oh, I don't have the money to do this or do that. And then when you start to do, you just in a habit of doing home stuff all the time, and you forget about yourself. Anyway, to say all that. And then my mom used to sell Mary Kay, so we were just like Mary Kay, and that's it. So I also wanted to try this e.l.f. Beauty Shield. And I'm ashy. Recharging magnetic mask kit. And yeah, I want to see how this works. So it includes a recharging magnetic mask, a dual-sided magnetic tool, and 20 magnetic covers. I don't know, guys. I just wanted to try, and I don't remember how much this was either, but cheaper than some of the stuff I saw at Ulta. But you pay for what you get, so I probably will get me some good stuff at Ulta, and I'm sure some good stuff at Target or the beauty drugstore too. I wanted to try this e.l.f. poreless face primer, and I have heard people talk about this, the other primers too, so I wanted to try this poreless one. I just needed some deodorant. I was just in there and I needed some, so usually I get it from Dollar Tree, but I just picked up some Secrets. And then lastly, the Mrs. Meyer's. I like the original. I did see the new spring. I think it was Penny, and oh gosh, I can't remember the other one. But I didn't like the smells of the new spring one. So I picked up the regular Mrs. Meyer's. I know when she had it on her little tray here, she actually had the basil, which matches this tray. But I just wanted to get what smell that I like. And this is the lemon verbena. The multi-surface everyday cleanser. And then I already started using this, the dish soap. And I need to sign up for a subscription. I don't know what I'm waiting on. And then the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, extra durable. I was watching Miss Fee Marie, and she also mentioned this too. And I use these for my shower. That's the only way to get that shower looking brand new again. Especially when you have a fiberglass shower. So I use these. They also have one that has like a little handheld device holder on it, and I can't find that one anymore, so I don't know what's going on with that. But as long as I can find those. And then I was couponing one time and tried this Mr. Clean Gain. They also have it in Febreze as well, and it smells so good. So I needed to mop the floor, so I just picked this up. It was only like, it was less than $3 for all of this. I don't think it's concentrated. No, it's not. So that's it, guys, that I got from Target and the Target One Spot. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.